101 Garage here. I hope you're having a great day. We thought we'd share all the ZX7s that people call cat eyes. It's the headlights that they talking about. So these are all the ones that we have running. We still have a couple of them to restore. We've had these for several years, most of them, and they're very fun to ride. They all have stock exhaust. They all have aftermarket exhaust except one bike, and that's Aria. She's a red and purple bike. So this is Rob. It's a Muzzy bike, and there's only like 35 of these around. 10,000 miles. This is Tangerine Dream. Really nice bike. Orange is a kind of a hard color to find. This is Aria. She's from the Netherlands. She's probably one of our higher mileage bikes. This is Lily. You guys probably seen several videos on her. We've been working on her fuel pump and fuel filter. The yellow one's Evelyn. This is Orange Crush. This is a one owner bike, like 6,500 miles. And this last one here is Ivy. Let me start them all up, and you guys can tell me which one you think sounds the best and which bike you like. Leave in the comments. Well, they all started up. They all are just a little different. Each bike has its own character. Some like to start fast, some like to choke on. They're all a little different. This bike has a projection headlight, only bike we have like that. Again, this was a one owner, 6,500 miles from New Jersey, from Florida, only yellow one I've ever seen. Lily here, she is from Europe. And you know that because she can turn her lights off and on. Yes, this could be aftermarket, and I could be wrong, but that's one way to gauge it. It's also this muffler. It's usually a pipe that we see a lot from Europe. I'm still looking into the history of her. Aria definitely came from the Netherlands. This came from California. Tangerine Dream. Needs a little bit of work. And again, Rob, there's only a 35 built. Very happy to have it. There's Rob. Tangerine Dream. Aria. Aria's pretty quiet. We got Lily. Evelyn. And Orange Crush. And Ivy. I'd say Ivy needs a new fuel pump and fuel filter. She's not acting quite right. Well, that's our Cat Eye ZX7s. I hope you enjoyed watching. Please subscribe to 101 Garage. It helps us out a lot. We're working on better and better videos, but it does take a lot of time to work on motorcycles. We have 3 that are complete rebuilds. Well, we have more than that, like 8. But we have 3 in the shop. Let us know which bike you like the best. And also, if you want to see a video on a bike, we can do a video for that. Just let us know in the comments. All right, take care. 101 Garage, Arizona. Later. Bye.